Ever felt like you're juggling flaming chainsaws while trying to run your service business? You're nailing the work, but your leads are slipping through the cracks. Your follow-ups are a mess, and you're not entirely sure where your next job is coming from? Yeah, me too. Or at least I used to. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into a tool that can turn that chaos into a well-oiled, lead-generating, money-making machine. We're talking about the Housecall Pro pipeline. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're a plumber. You get a call from a frantic homeowner with a burst pipe. You rush over, fix the leak, and they're thrilled. But then, crickets. You send an invoice, maybe a follow-up email, but you're not really sure if they'll call you again for their next plumbing need. You're losing potential repeat business. Or, picture this, you're an electrician. You get a lead from your website. You email them an estimate, but then you get busy with another job, and that lead gets buried under a mountain of other tasks. Weeks later, you remember, but they've already hired someone else. Sound familiar? That's the problem a solid pipeline solves. We're not just talking about a list of names. A pipeline is a visual representation of your customer journey, from the moment they express interest to the moment they become a loyal, repeat client. It's about tracking every interaction, every estimate, every follow-up, and every opportunity. It's about turning leads into customers and customers into advocates. So what exactly is the Housecall Pro pipeline? Well, it's essentially a digital, customizable workflow that helps you manage your leads and jobs from start to finish. It's built specifically for service businesses like yours, plumbers, electricians, HVAC techs, cleaners, landscapers, you name it. It's designed to streamline your operations, improve your communication, and ultimately, boost your bottom line. Think of it as a virtual assistant that never sleeps, never forgets a task, and always keeps you organized. It takes the guesswork out of lead management so you can focus on what you do best, providing excellent service. The Housecall Pro pipeline isn't just a feature. It's a strategic tool that can transform your business. Let's break down the key components of the pipeline and see how they work together. First, you've got your lead capture. This is where it all begins. Housecall Pro integrates with your website, social media, and other lead sources to automatically capture inquiries. When someone fills out a contact form or sends you a message, their information is automatically added to your pipeline. No more manually entering data or losing track of leads. Next, you've got your stages. The pipeline is divided into customizable stages that represent the different steps in your customer journey. You can create stages like new lead, estimate sent, job scheduled, job completed, and follow-up. This visual representation allows you to see exactly where each lead or job is in the process at a glance. You can easily drag and drop leads between stages, keeping your pipeline organized and up to date. Then there's automation. This is where the magic happens. Housecall Pro allows you to automate tasks and communication at each stage of the pipeline. You can set up automatic email or text reminders for estimates, job confirmations, and follow-ups. You can also automate tasks like scheduling appointments and sending invoices. This automation saves you time and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Let's dive into some specific examples. Imagine a new lead comes in through your website for a kitchen renovation. In Housecall Pro, this lead automatically lands in the new lead stage. You can then assign the lead to a team member, schedule a consultation, and send an automated email confirming the appointment. After the consultation, you can move the lead to the estimate sent stage and send an automated follow-up email. If the lead approves the estimate, you can move them to the job scheduled stage and send an automated job confirmation. Once the job is completed, you can move them to the job completed stage and send an automated invoice. And finally, you can move them to the follow-up stage and send an automated thank you email with a request for a review. This automated workflow ensures that you're communicating with your leads and customers at every step of the way, building trust and increasing your chances of closing the deal. It also frees up your time, so you can focus on providing excellent service and growing your business. But the Housecall Pro pipeline is more than just a lead management tool. It's also a powerful reporting and analytics platform. You can track your conversion rates, identify bottlenecks in your workflow, and measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and optimize your operations for maximum efficiency. One of the biggest benefits of using a pipeline is the increase in efficiency. You're not digging through emails or trying to remember who you called last week. Everything is organized, tracked, and easily accessible. You can see the status of every lead and job, communicate with your team, and generate reports, all from one central platform. Another significant advantage is improved customer communication. Consistent, timely communication is crucial for building trust and rapport with your customers. The Housecall Pro pipeline automates communication, ensuring that your customers are always informed and engaged. This leads to higher customer satisfaction and increased repeat business. And let's not forget about increased sales. A well-managed pipeline can significantly boost your sales by increasing your conversion rates and reducing your sales cycle. By tracking your leads and jobs, you can identify opportunities for upselling and cross-selling, maximizing your revenue potential. Now, some of you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it really worth it? Well, let's talk about the ROI. By streamlining your operations, improving your communication, and increasing your sales, the Housecall Pro pipeline can generate a significant return on your investment. Many service businesses have reported a substantial increase in revenue after implementing the pipeline. And the best part is it's easy to use. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can quickly learn how to navigate the platform and customize it to fit your specific needs. The key takeaway here is that the Housecall Pro pipeline is not just about managing leads. It's about building relationships. It's about creating a seamless customer experience that keeps your clients coming back for more. It's about transforming your service business from a chaotic mess into a well-oiled machine. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.